Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel, English with Altaf. I'm Annie and in today's video we are going to share a practical and motivational conversation about how you can speak English fluently in just 100 days.
Hi friends, I'm Altaf, and together with Annie, we will guide you on how to make English a part of your daily life, how to stay consistent, and how to grow your confidence step by step over the next 100 days. Let's get started.
Altaf. So many people want to speak English fluently, but they often feel stuck, nervous, or even give up. Why do you think that happens?
You're right, Annie. Most people give up because they expect results too quickly. They want to become fluent in a week or a month. But fluency is a process. It takes time, effort, and practice, just like learning how to ride a bicycle or play an instrument.
Exactly. And 100 days is a realistic and powerful goal. If someone spends even 30 minutes to 1 hour daily with the right approach, fluency is definitely possible. So, Altaf, what should a beginner do on day one?
On day one, keep it simple. Don't try to memorize grammar rules. Instead, focus on listening and repeating. Watch simple English videos, listen to short conversations, and try to repeat the words and sentences. This is called shadowing. It helps your mouth get used to speaking English.
That's a great start. In the beginning, learners should not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are signs that you're trying. I would also recommend using short daily phrases like, "How are you?" "I'm fine." "I like it." "I don't know." These are useful and easy to remember.
Yes, and from day 1 to day 10, the goal should be building comfort with sounds and basic sentences. Don't focus on being perfect. Instead, speak every day, even if it's just 5 sentences.
From day 11 to day 30, you can start forming small conversations. For example, introduce yourself, talk about your family, your daily routine, and your hobbies. Speak in front of a mirror, talk to yourself, or find a friend who is also learning English.
Exactly. And one powerful trick is to record your voice while speaking English. Then listen to it. You will notice your improvement day by day. You'll also catch mistakes and correct them naturally over time.
From day 31 to day 50, you should begin focusing on listening and reading English content daily. Choose topics that you enjoy. It could be cooking, travel, or technology. The more you listen and read, the more vocabulary you will learn.
And vocabulary is the fuel for fluency. But remember, you don't need to learn 100 new words every day. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily, use them in your own sentences, and try to say those sentences out loud. Practice is the key.
That's right. By day 51 to day 70, learners can start creating their own stories. Just imagine a simple situation like visiting a shop and speak about it in English. "I went to a shop. I bought some fruit. I paid money. I came home." Simple but effective.
Yes, and this is the stage where confidence begins to grow. Also, start watching English movies or shows with subtitles. Read the subtitles and listen carefully. It helps with pronunciation, sentence structure, and natural rhythm.
From day 71 to day 90, challenge yourself more. Speak with strangers in English if possible. Join online speaking clubs or talk to people on language exchange apps. The goal is to come out of your comfort zone.
Very true. And don't be shy. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Even native speakers sometimes struggle with grammar or vocabulary. The main thing is to keep speaking and keep trying.
And now, the final 10 days. From day 91 to day 100 should be focused on polishing your skills. Record full 1 minute or 2 minute speeches. Choose random topics and talk about them. Also, start thinking in English. Instead of translating in your mind, try to describe things around you in English.
Exactly. For example, if you're looking at your room, say in your mind, there is a table. The table is brown. I keep my books on it. This will help you switch your thinking language from your mother tongue to English.
That's an amazing tip, Altaf. Thinking in English is one of the strongest signs of fluency. And by day 100, if someone follows this method honestly, they'll notice a huge improvement, not just in speaking, but also in understanding and confidence.
Absolutely. So let's quickly summarize what we've learned in this video.
We've learned that fluency in English is possible in 100 days if you stay consistent, practice daily, and keep your mindset positive. Start with simple listening and repeating, then move to small conversations, learn vocabulary, speak about your daily life, and slowly increase your confidence.
And most importantly, don't give up. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than yesterday. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. You can do it.
Thank you so much for watching this video on English with Altaf. We hope you're ready to begin your 100-day journey toward English fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.
Take care and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye and best of luck on your English journey.